it's big, it's big.
I saw it anyway. Get me on!
Oh my God.
That's Devonte catching that fish, boy.
Fifth one.
What? How many was?
Fifth one. Fifth.
Ah!
Fifth.
He ain't lying. He ain't lying either.
I caught more than you.
You said you supposed to take him off. I'm trying to get you to take him off.
That's one.
Fifth.
You saying Devonte trying to catch up?
No, I'm saying Devonte caught up with you. He ain't trying to do shit.
So me and Devonte got 50.
You gotta hold him tight, Devonte.
So we have racing right now.
What you talking about? You got to race right now. Devonte been racing from the get-go.
For real.
He's the turtle, and he let you be the hare.
I ain't gonna slow down.
Yeah, I'm a turtle with you.
And I ain't gonna take a break.
And then Jimmy on the hair that's on.
You got him on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Videotape don't fish. All this fish that's in there.
Hey, Devonte, how many there is?
My fifth fish.
How many Devonte? How many Javion caught?
6.
Uh-uh.
5. Oh,
Okay, then. Javion was the turtle, and Javion was the hare, and you was the turtle.
I was a turtle. What?
Tell everybody good night. Say, tell them what this is. This is a BT Fishing Florida.
This is a BT Fishing Florida. Good night.